Everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this very easy round cord in 2 colors. So let's get started. Start with a slip knot, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the second stitch from the hook, 1, 2, pull up a loop. And pull up a loop in each of the stitches all the way across the row. Like that. And now I'm going to hold my thumb against the base of all those stitches, like that. And I'm going to let go of the first 4. I'm going to keep this one on the hook, like that. And then I'm going to pick up my white and pull it through that last stitch. And now one by one, pull the white through. And then I'll do that all the way across the row. And the last one, and pull up a loop. Tighten up that last blue stitch and the white stitch. So now I'm going to repeat. Now I'm going to bring up the blue yarn under my finger. I'm going to place my thumb against all those stitches, and I'm going to release from 4, and then I'm going to pull up a loop in each one of these stitches all the way across the row. Like that. Tighten up my white. Now I'm going to bring up the white under my finger. Hold my thumb against all those stitches. Release those 4 stitches. Now pick up the white yarn and pull it through. And through each of these stitches all the way across the row. Like that. Bring the blue up under your finger. Hold your thumb underneath those 4 stitches. Release them. Pick up the blue yarn. Pull it through the first stitch and through each of the stitches all the way across the row. And you just keep repeating that. So bring up the white, release those 4 stitches, and then pull up a loop through each of these stitches all the way across the row. So you just keep repeating that over and over. There's what it looks like on the back, but when you pull it, it's going to automatically roll onto itself and form a round cord. And I have a longer one here that I have finished, and I'll show you how to finish it. So I'm going to bring my blue color up. I'm going to release those first 4 stitches. And I'm going to work a slip stitch in the first stitch and a slip stitch in the next stitch. And I'm going to continue across the row. Make a slip stitch in each of the stitches. And then fasten off and tie these 2 ends together. Like that. And to keep it forming a circle, I'm going to bring one of my colors through the other end, like that, and tie a knot. Pull it to form this nice circle. So that's that end, and at this end, I'm just going to tie these two ends together. Like that. So now what could you use these for? You could tie the ends together to make a bracelet, or tie the ends together and attach your car keys, and then you can slide them onto your wrist. Or you can make longer ones and coil them up to use as a key charm or as coasters or trivets. You can use them as neck cords on bikinis or halter tops. You could use it as a belt. You could use it as a hoodie string. Place your comments below for other ways that we could use these nice round cords. So I hope you enjoyed learning how to crochet these 2-color round cords. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.